Okay, today's lesson is about asking good scientific questions. So we do have this slide in your notes, and it's about the process, 5-step process of asking good questions. First step is to observe the phenomenon. And in class, we are going to talk about this phenomenon here, and you might be thinking in your head, what is a phenomenon? And I just have a pretty basic definition down here, but it's something that we observe to exist or happen, and the cause is in question to you, okay? So that's gearing up for us asking really good scientific questions, okay? So once we observe the phenomenon, we want to go to this checklist right here, and we just want to start asking questions. We don't want to stop, discuss, judge, try and answer these questions. We just want to go for it. We want to ask as many questions as possible. We want to record exactly as they're happening in our head. And if for some reason when we write it down it turns into a statement, we're going to try and put it in question form. Okay? Once we get that process done, and we're just trying to write as many questions as we can, we then want to improve our questions. Okay? Now, there's going to be two choices here today with the questions I have made. Are they open-ended or close-ended? Okay? You can see here that close-ended is going to be answered with yes, no, or one word. Okay? So they're not really getting us anywhere. We're not going to try and discover an answer. Whereas open-ended, we need that longer explanation. We can do the scientific process with them. Okay? So to give you some insight here, my questions here about this phenomenon. First question says, is that lightning? Well, that can be answered yes or no. So that's considered close-ended. It's not that great. We can do better, okay? I improved that in number 3. How did the lightning form? So now that's an open-ended question. I want to dig deeper and kind of go through the process to figure out, yeah, how did the lightning form, okay? So you're going to evaluate your questions in that way. Is it open-ended or is it closed-ended? So you will do a breakout room and talk about this, but that was really our goal. Closed-ended, again, means yes or no. Those really aren't great. We want to ask good questions, ones that are going to lead us to research or an experiment.